Hello, this is Janice, and today I will be showing you how to make quesadillas.
For this recipe, you will need cheese and a tortilla. So first you get your cheese and you put your cheese on top of the tortilla. Make sure you spread it all around so it's even. Once you have it spread around, fold the tortilla in half. Then make sure the cheese is all leveled out still. Then put it in the microwave. Okay, so now the cheese is melted. I put it in the microwave for about 30 seconds.
Well, thank you so much for watching my video on how to make these really simple quesadillas. And please leave me a comment and subscribe to my channel. See you next time for some more videos like these. Take care. Bye.